WY Precision Company Limited (WY) is professional in transmission fields more than 15 years, with rich experience linear products in ball screw design, manufacture and processing. As member of WANY Group focused on provide reliability, transmission solutions to the worldwide customers. Set up factories in Shenzhen, Anhui, Dongguan, specializing in rolled ball screw manufacturing and miniature grinding ball screw manufacturing with higher automation production lines. WY built automation production lines for rolled ball screw shaft. The capacity go to 10,000 meters per day, with automatically hardened process and online automatically inspections process, with manual calibrations and automatically calibration process for the ball screws. The capacity reached to 5,000 PCS per day. Capability of ball screw size from 4mm to 100mm. WY teams gather high-level automation expects to set up automation, not grinding production line to ensure the highly quality and productivities to support the high volume requests in fields of automotive, industrial, medicals, solar energy, robots and power tools. Each type of ball screw quality being controlled by SPC management, the CPK capabilities based on PPAP qualifications procedures. The nut grinding capacity will go to 1,500 pieces per day. Nut size from 4mm to 110mm. Precision grades are IT1, IT3, IT5, IT7. Each nut bin assembly and inspected by fixtures, and conduct 100% inspection. All operators been trained and qualified. Each batch of grinding ball screws conduct sample testing for the precision grade based on high quality requirements. WY Precision Company Limited provide OEM and ODM services for most of famous brand of actuators and ball screw customers. The product is not limited to ball screw, nut, screw shafts, guideway, guide rails. 60% of sale revenue of the company as clients distributed in US, Germany, Canada, France, Italy, Denmark, Finland, Japan, Malaysia. The company has passed certifications of ISO9001 2.8 quality management system and followed IATF16949 2.16 quality management system by using PPAP procedure to qualify the productions. With conduct continue improvement close the loops. With rolled ball screw diameter size from 8mm to 100mm. Price and grade is C7, capacity reached to 2,000 cis per day. WY's miniature ball screw grinding size from 4mm to 25mm. Precision grade level variations from 8 to 50 per 300mm travel length. Grades are C1, C3, C5. WY Precision Company Ltd is engaged in transmission linear motion fields development to be the OEM and ODM roles for customization solution provided. Welcome all worldwide customers visit us.